Okay, this is a Matrices past paper question. It's from 2016, and it says a system of linear equations is given by, and it gives you the three equations, all equal to 0. Find the values of A for which there are solutions other than x equals y equals z equals 0. We need, obviously, hopefully you can see, we need to put the determinant then equal to 0. This is a bit of a palaver with algebra to work out, but we can get our way through it. So, as ever, to work out the determinant, 2 upon this times this, take away this times this. So what do we have? 2 upon 3 of a plus 1, take away the 3 times 0, which is 0. Remember then it's minus a minus 1, and that's upon this times this, which is here, take away 0. Minus 1 upon, let's see what we have, 3 upon a plus 2, and then take away 6 equals 0. Starting to multiply this out and tidy it up. My advice for this is never multiply out all your brackets, because there'll be a factor that you can lift out. This is going to be a cubic because of this wee bit here, and it can be a wee bit messy, but if you can find a common factor, it just makes your life easier rather than actually solving a cubic equation. So what do we have here? We have 3a plus 3 times by 2, that's 6a minus 6. We have our three brackets here, that 0 comes to nothing. And then here we have 3a plus 6, take away 6. This we're going to leave as it is, that goes down there, and then we're going to join together these two terms here. So what do we have here? We have minus, and it's 3a plus 6 minus 6. The 6 obviously disappears, so we've just a minus 3a here. If we take away the 3a from the 6a here, we get 3a plus 6. This is the wee trick to it. Again, take a wee look at this, hopefully it'll make sense. Take out the 3, and 3 upon a plus 2 minus a minus 1, a plus 2, a plus 1, and you have a common factor there of a plus 2, so we can take that out the front. So it's 3 coming from here minus the a minus 1, a plus 1. Multiply out your brackets here, a minus 1, a plus 1, that's just difference of 2 squares, so you give you a squared minus 1, and it's obviously a minus, so that all ties up to give us 4 minus a squared. So we have a plus 2 upon 4 minus a squared. Next line, a plus 2, this is difference of 2 squares, 2 minus a, 2 plus a. These terms are both the same, and our two values of a then come out to be a equals minus 2 or 2.